Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to integrate the Etsy platform to Nventree. Once logged into Nventree, in order to have the Etsy platform integrated, you will have to navigate to the Settings section and then select Platforms. From here, you will click on the Create Platform button and select the Etsy platform. A new page will load up where you will have to give the Etsy platform a name, and then you will need to copy in your Etsy's shop ID or shop name. Once a platform name is given, and the ID or name of the Etsy store is copied in, you will then request the token. This will redirect you to Etsy, where a message stating that an application would like to connect to your account will be displayed. And you will have to allow it access, as this is the request that was made by Nventree. Once Allow Access is clicked, you will receive a verification code, which you will need to copy and paste back into Nventree in order to have the Etsy platform connected. When the verification code is copied over, you will be able to select the date from which you would like the Etsy orders to download from. Then, all that's left is clicking on Obtain Token, and a pop-up window will appear stating that the Etsy platform is being connected. You can just click OK and close the window while the process finishes in the background. Once the connection has been successfully established, it will take Nventree around 15 to 30 minutes to start downloading your Etsy orders. I hope this video has helped you in understanding how to connect your Etsy platform to Nventree. If you're interested in Nventree, then feel free to go over our library of videos, visit our websites in the links below, and also don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you for watching.